everyone, it's Chris and Amy and Esmeralda.
What's up?
Yay! So we decided last minute. Chris was thinking of going fishing. So we're on our way to go get a fishing license, and then we're gonna go somewhere to fish. But so today is like a day where we can hang out as a family, because I work on a weekend now, and I won't have much time to hang out with him. And during the weekdays, he normally at work and I have babysitting. So today we're gonna take advantage right now and just hang out as a family. So yeah, let's go fishing. Yeah. Esmeralda's back there. Oh, my baby girl.
Yeah, I'm excited.
We're stopping at Chick-fil-A to get some food before we go fishing, because I'm over here hungry.
Hi, welcome. Can I get a good name for this order?
Chris?
Chris, and what can I get you guys started?
Yeah, we got our license. And what else did we get? We got a license and we got a hook for me. And now we're ready to go fishing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Amy's gonna catch a lot of fish.
I don't know about that. Lately, I've been having bad luck since I got with you, my love. I'm kidding.
Every day, every day.
I'm kidding. It's like... Ooh, heaven is a piece on nose. What? Oh yeah, that's the old one. Yeah, we can probably throw those away, huh? Yeah, you ready to go fishing? Yeah. I love you. Hi. hum. Want to say hi to everybody? Want to say hi? I'm Esmeralda. I love her so much. My sweet girl. Yeah. She's just playing with her spit. Oh yeah? Oh, huh? Oh yeah, well, we can just sit on the dock. Oh really? Look at you guys, so cute! Hi Esmeralda! Hi! Yeah, you get ready to go fishing, huh? Huh? Have you caught any fish, my love? Nothing? Oh. So pretty out here, guys. Look at this. Want to see our cast?
Yeah.
I forgot that thing was right there.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah. go, girl.
Thank you.
And yet, nothing. Well, you'll get something. Ah! Spoke too soon.
What did I do, babe?
I don't know. You got nervous.
No, I didn't. Did I hold the thing back?
Probably not.
That's probably why.
Probably not. Dada give you lots of kisses, huh? Dada love you. Dada love you. Say howdy. Howdy. She looks like she's about to go to sleep.
Yeah, yo. Is it good? Okay guys, we did not catch any fish and the water actually looked gross. There was a sign when we entered. I don't know if you guys can see the water, but look at that. It's algae and stuff. But it said it's not safe for like pets or dogs to like play in it. Huh? What is it? What is that, my love? Oh, yeah. So we're probably not gonna come back here this summer to fish because the water's quality is really bad and we don't want to get sick. So yeah, but we're heading home. Well, actually grocery shop and then home, right?
Yeah.